Time now for a look at some of the major stories making news from around the world.
In the region, the United States will soon require travelers from several countries, including a number in the Caribbean, to pay a refundable visa bond before entering the country on short-term visitor visas. According to the U.S. State Department, nationals of Antigua and Barbuda, Dominica and Cuba will be subject to the new requirement beginning January 21, 2026, under a pilot program aimed at reducing visa overstays. The bond applies to travelers who qualify for a B1, B2 visa, which covers tourism, family visits, and business travel. While applicants may still be approved for a visa, they will first have to post a bond of $5,000 US, $10,000 US, or $15,000 US dollars, depending on their individual case. On the international scene, the White House says President Donald Trump plans to meet with US oil executives on Friday to discuss Venezuela. A senior official says representatives from Chevron, the only currently active US company in Venezuela, are among those expected to attend. This comes as President Trump says Caracas will be turning over 30 to 50 million barrels of oil to the US to be sold at market value. The US Energy Secretary said earlier today that any cash gained from the sale of Venezuelan oil will be controlled by Washington. And those were some of the top stories from around the world. I'm Hal Shaneberg.